lawyers ochena womo court could defend the womo case say ice a chicken Ofori Atta de eye nokre na emmo no saa Ken Ofori Atta no ayache no o man Ghana fo nso pese womo so che no na womo point a womo ye ne say eye Ken Ofori Atta achi ayache no eye ice pese obde no ko Ghana no se ice ed ne ko Ghana Ken Ofori Atta ne ho be den ne ho be kire ne pa edi enti womo asem a womo ka ne say Ken Ofori Atta ayu obi a Oman Ghana tete no ape no ache no edi ne bone according to the lawyer and someone chinamde court edi akwa face ice no. You all know ICE, what you say, immigration, customs, and enforcement. Now, listen here and listen attentively. Ken Ofori Atta, the optional lawyers at the man and they say, this is how you have to go. And yes, sir, ICE, Edu call Ghana. What must say? Ken Ofori Atta, and they, you know, waji atun se oye bema ne bema, one bema ne bema dim pemu agro. Into any was oye gay. Into so returning Ghana. Ghana and so chiwadi eye bema ne bema warrior. Into usurosu or returning the president of Ghana. Ebetina 2. Number 2 was say in somewhat yet ya to ne so se wabokro no SML ne sa no mani nyina no enya no kre nyina so bi ani ho political witch hunt itiene no o siki for political asylum ewo United States of America ye bebo modia I'm be nwuma African Ofori Atta inti se Ken Ofori Atta adwane. Now the MPP party is supporting him to stay in exile there. Maybe say MPP for say, do you guys want Ghanaians to take your political party serious or nah? Maybe say. Because enemy will questions be. Now I know and the ACC. Already in some people have me kind. Enra Ora Martin Pegbu lawyer. Ekodi one dance here Enra. One of the platform, I think TV3, Okudi Adanse was someone mekanye, and Sakra and Sana Enra Nebeba, Ama Martin Pegbu, lawyer, Akudi Adanse. Asema Martin Pegbu can say, or no dear, when yan in tea, evidence a chrese Ken Ofori Atta, no person yet, and crat our warrior, no the Tina USA. Maybe catch them say Ofori Atta, a warrior no person ye no Tina Krumo. Only any idea, only any, your friend is saying, I didn't say, or be returning to the motherland Ghana. Only. Now you see, as someone make we take it very, very seriously. I've got a godfather Obama about Ken Ofori Atta. And Ken Ofori Atta a free Ghana. Or catch me say, son, Ken has left Ghana. He has no plans to return to Ghana. That was a year last year. Ken Ofori Atta a free Ghana. This is what me a year godfather no American or catch me. And in fact, me catch say, oh, there be way there. Or kosan no ya real boss. No. It is just a plan to exit the nation Ghana. Na wakubano webja ewo obi manso. In fact, o free Ghana no wa try say obenya asetna ewo UK, obenya asetna ewo Canada, obenya asetna ewo USA. These 3 countries no waye bia se oppress obenya eye eho sam kromiensa we so obenya so enkrata. Wa try in fact. That is the more reason why in Tia or yes say Onoane nkwada omti wo USA. Onoane wo faase for di omo bi call USA no. Oni ebibeye enkrata warrior no wenya eye USA asetena. In fact, o try wo UK asetena no ena from sa. Munim say aya me the lawyer eye friend is saying me platform yi so ma ne be kyerɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ nkrataa mu when it comes to UK ɛkwan abefa so abenya nkrataa and the UK no one more immigration system na kwakoye a way say one wo krom ha ama maame na nkase wo akora na bra bom ama maame no angina so angi antuma ntro nkrataa se wo ye papa a wo hwe wo ba unsanka wo nkrataa unless say maame no ye a British citizen no odu kofie no koware na nsa na wasan aba enti Ken Ofori Atta knew say UK die la lie ontumi nya asetna the only way obenya asetan say this will kofie na ne wo fa asifo bi ana onu obi ye nkrata ware na nipa ko no be funny free Ghana ba ana onu so nim say wo kọ Ghana NDC for penache no enti o rule out UK die free mu ordinary chine Canada na Canada nsem no enemeka kire what happened ewo Canada Manase Azure tum futregu Ghana fo ani say Ken Ofori Atta ewo visa ewo Canada enya no kre is a blatant lie from Manase Azure oni Ken Ofori Atta enkrata ho bia onim Manase Azure twantro Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta eni Canada visa owo Canada visa enka wontina USA enjenim guase enko bedwane akọ Canada because entasum say owo Canada visa no obeka cho so otna USA ni aba abeche no abra onim say USA visa no ye revoking the visa enka the next step ni say me wo Canada visa dia na me hwehwe I'm only hiding from the law in general then I mean go back to Canada na say minya akwanya na minya visa e wo USA na masa back enyesa another making is commonsensical. So Manase Azure per se, and commona efa Kenneth Ofori Atta no. Manase Azure onim ho hwe. But he wants to be relevant in the conversation of Ken Ofori Atta nkomono. And inti o mame meka sa ne visa be expire and then ne visa be oboa. The MPP fo bi set agenda. Ana ono nso na so etietie bi. Ana oba bontin anu aba beka. I've already told you about Ken Ofori Atta. Oh, Ken Ofori Atta, a friend is saying, it is this platform, and apart from this platform, nowhere else. The Kweku make a channel. A GA.Y Attorney General and a baby from Kakran. Even Attorney General Krano, he was lost until your team USA and then the team come on and Sana Obe play part of a year. The Ato Ken Ofori Atta. What you say? So follow me carefully here. Manase Azure Ochantro. Ken Ofori Atta any Canadian visa or Canadian visa. The easiest way was for him to leave USA and just fly to Canada. Simple, because of home krata. It didn't a preventing. So one call Canada only one krata. This I want to establish. Itimuhunu makonta Manase Azure munkancha ne say akonta jaintrono owari menuaba enzimani eninti ana America no kre no oti ase sa pepepe. So me case so say Manase Azure onim that visa no workers or Canadian visa yentro is a year total lies. Now, Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta. This is the fact of the matter. Ken Ofori Atta we didn't kofu bebre boni ewa brabom. Not only Ghanaians, even including his close friends of Nigeria for. Ebi mo okra womo no was stress sike free womo ho ansa no de ato aduane adi during the days ana MPP wo oppositioner na omusu so mamba Akufo Addo ne ho be kire no na busuanfo bo be kire no waton na busuanfo Agyapade and what they support or now they finance ne ho to become president. Omu take a year chances omu call to even to the extent of contacting their friends in Nigeria. You know, Akufo Addo's people, they like that Nigerian connection. It's a fact. We all know Nana Asante Bediatuo is married to a Nigerian, Akufo Addo mano, bebreno a friend is saying, omoni ala tafo no nenam. In fact, Akufo Addo in the United Kingdom got at a point in time, or worry Nigeria needs Akufo Addo has a Nigerian daughter. Yenim sa ne ba girl no, ne Nigeria ni no but alateni no, ne boyfriend celebrating a birthday somewhere in 2009. Akufo Addo to a watch costing about over $50,000 at the man. We all know the story. We need more me catch now. Now, Ken Ofori Atta, me, I know Ken Ofori Atta. Because Ken Ofori Atta no, me ankasa, me ami cheche muche, and the information. And I've told you Ken Ofori Atta, the story am I at a point it affected me my warrior. And I am not ready to go into the details. But they couldn't understand because they really thought, they said, is this guy, but you see, Oba, people who are closer to me, they know the Ofori Atta, chocho mucho, once upon a time. Na dear bia, many bia call out da. What I say, me person may be him too much. But medianu be see because that is not an inamide buy. Look, Ken Ofori Atta has no intention to return to Ghana. Enya Manasi and Babeka. I said it here last year. Ken Ofori Atta onyadi obeba Ghana. Emra mekai, people thought to say, oh, what is Papa Ghana? What is Dr. Ren saying? And you see, ukohemi videos bebrea. I talk about Ken Ofori Atta, Akufo Addo, and the JB Dankwa. A kwanya omufa so a omu di bone mane affected the nation Ghana. Emu bebreni enim, but they be dum pempenso bi no. Experience, they say, is the best teacher. We've experienced it, we've seen it, we felt it, and we do more dance here. Now, Ken Ofori Atta, a finance minister, a man who once upon a time was referred as quotation master, always quoting the Bible to make his point, knows clearly that in the Bible, Christians believe that there will be what? A day of reckoning, a day of judgment, a day of accountability. So why is Ken Ofori Atta running away from accountability? Why is he running away from a friend is saying judgment? Why is he running away from accountability? If truly he believes he is innocent. Because the human rights, no, the fundamental human rights, John Mahamadu Bawumia unte se wateti Akufo Addo. Ama Akufo Addo edwane afri Ghana. John Mahamadu Bawumia mene wo ka say MPP campaign. So if somebody says somewhere and says that John Mahama is a president, or the unrespected human rights, because as I speak to you now, MPP campaign, flag bearer, so it tells you that even the biggest opposition political party, comfortable to even run a campaign under a new government. President John Mahama. So why is Ken Ofori Atta today seeking political asylum in the United States of America? Many woka say the lawyers ochina womo court could defend the case say eyes a chicken Ofori Atta de nokre. Na emmo no sa Ken Ofori Atta no ayache no o man Ghana fo nso pese womo so che no na womo point a womo ye ne say Ken Ofori Atta chi ayache no ice person obde no ko Ghana no se ice ed ne ko Ghana Ken Ofori Atta ne ho be den ne ho be kire ne pa edi enti wo mo asem a wo ka ne se Ken Ofori Atta obi a oman Ghana tete no apɛ no ache no edi ne bone according to the lawyer and someone chinam de court edi akwa face ice no. You all know ICE, which is Immigration, Customs, and Enforcement. Now, listen here and listen attentively. Ken Ofori Atta, the optional lawyers at the man and they say, this is how you have to go. And yes, sir, ice edu be ko Ghana. Woman say, Ken Ofori Atta ene you know, waji atum se oye bema ne bema, one bema ne bema di mpemu agro. Iti ene wasi oye gay. Inti so return Ghana. Ghana nso achiwade eye bema ne bema aware. Inti osuro so return the president of Ghana. Ebetina 2. Number 2 was say eya ensem a ye de ato ne so se wabokro no SML ne sa no mani nyina no enya no kre nyina so bi ani ho eye political witch hunt. Itiene no o siki for political asylum in the United States of America. This is the latest news I'm a map. And this is the book a friend is saying the playbooker Ken Ofori Atta and then the lawyer say wa America they court. It's the human rights in some and they call or ye gay Ghana fortunately gay or kwa ne ho be chere no ye mano a friend is saying yeah, mano, right for a year and a mirror, papa, and inti and non aware de or di jinasu 2 a political witch hunt and ye person a witch hunting. No, this is Ken Ofori Atta. Eti Mama Attorney General Dr. Akuritinga Asante said this is water Ken Ofori Atta or China one of the lawyers woman they call court or detention center. Nyoma mienu and wahwehwe or say or ye gay and the quotation master adani gay just to avoid a year accountability, just to avoid a kwanya obefaso obeye accountable to the nation. And once upon a time or refer to the nation say a yenema, and if he is sicker he cannot abandon Nema. Today, Ken Nanaya Kuntun Kununkum Ofori Atta has abandoned Nema to seek for political asylum. This is not something new with the Akufo Addo's family. This is not something new with the Ken Ofori Atta's family. This is not something new to the JB Dankwa's family. They are known for seeking for political asylum. Now, let me take you back a little for you to understand conversation. No? You can also research. Now, when you say someone American is fact, and I've told you, Ken Ofori Atta, mi chocho mucho in some bebriya, mi chocho mucho akachere me, and yan ne, and I may become because mi chocho mucho no, and you free of from a bushim. What you say? Ofri omo ebusim into me come too much because there are other things involved that become too much a be hardly. But I can't wait. In 1957, Nkrumah gained independence. I've told you this story and I've told you several times. What happened when the likes of Bedema and Co. Any Kwame Nkrumah Jina platform so I can't say at long last the battle has ended. Ghana, our beloved country, is free forever. That same year when Ghanaians were jubilating, when Ghanaians were in awe and celebrating, that same year, somewhere in August, September thereabout, I've forgotten the exact month, but from August thereabout, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, the family of Akufo Addo, family of Ofori Atta, family of JB Dankwa, majority of these people left the shores of Ghana, came to the United Kingdom to seek for political asylum. Their case was simple. Nkrumah was after them. This was one message that the president of Ghana, His Excellency Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, is making life unbearable for them. Hence, they left the shores of Ghana to come and seek political asylum. Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo was called William Akufo. This is the name I no ye the tone. He was not called a friend said Dankwa Addo. His name was William Akufo. Oba you cannot through political asylum his name became Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo because they needed that JB Dankwa touch to make their claim. Say, Omo Nana bi kokoda prison mrebi na wakoda prison no kwa okowu prison to make a case. Seni ebetresa ampa omebusuafo no Kwame Nkrumah was witch hunting them. So it is no news hearing say Ochina Ken Ofori Atta is going to seek for political asylum. And the news is just to avoid accountability. These people are not honest. These people are not truthful. That is the reason why I sit here and I tell you about this family. Miami chocho mucho akansem bibirachreme. You know, when we were growing up, because of schools be a kukoye, and in near maybe a titi, and at the time, Sebio, mechanical, you move a now a friend is saying, you say for lack of knowledge, the people perish. We didn't have that a year. We were not privy to that information. The information and knowledge. Now, we didn't have that knowledge at hand. And those who were sharing the knowledge were also not forthcoming with the knowledge. Those who were feeding us the rightful information were also afraid to talk about it. Until see mubinya akwenya. Now through Siapomu, na ya research, ni afe nso ye busa nsem. Na afe nso ya ba hunu no mu no kore. Sanka wo pe obi pa anya sanka support to political party MPP a me abeti. But some years ago na me support wo because I wanted a change na me change somewhere deno. And into na show me videos bia. I tell you people say be careful and don't take for granted the achievements of this new government. Because Ghanaians once upon a time took for granted the achievement of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and we were lied to by the Ken Ofori Atta's family, the JB Danquers, the Dombos, the Buzias, the Ken Ofori Atta's. So do not take for granted, because today there is a new government, there is a new sheriff in town. He is performing. So you might think say, it is easy. You might think say, it is easy. So let's change and bring MPP. Don't make that mistake. We made the mistake. We listened to them. They got the armed forces involved. They got international medias involved. They got international hands involved. And they overthrew Kwame Nkrumah. Don't take it for granted, the achievement of this new government. Now, why is it said anytime Bia Assemble took Ken Ofori Atta, the only place your refuge, almost seeking for refuge, Europe or America? Why? Now, I am coming to tell you the reason. Simple. Now, let's go back again. Ken Ofori Atta comes from a family. Nana was Sir Ofori Atta. Now, Obroni M19 no M that title, Knight of British Empire. So obviously, she should tell you the story. Before Akwesi Broni Ben Naito as a British Empire, it means it's a unyawuhum faswo ewo kwan biso. So now, understand this. These people feel privileged. They feel like, yeah, they are the bourgeoisies of Ghana. They are the, a friend is saying, the merchants of Venice of our country. So anytime bianwa ahochere kakrabe ba wo mo so no de omo ye ne say oh ahochere we die enye ye na de ahochere na ba ye ho suo nye ye behavior enye ye ankase ye suban bi and de sa ahochere we aba na mum quickly they will appoint fingers a freeway and ama ye ho akere a freeway and ama ye ho akere. So then and am pesa me kere Ken Ofori Atta as a finance minister could not even use his wisdom and his finances to even help Ghana build a modern hospital. Ono oyari chono, oyari heniano, ebesane yare. As foolish as he was, or as foolish as he is, when Timi and Resisika to build an ultra-modern teaching hospital, not even one under MPP government. The 8 years of MPP, Oman Timi and see a complete teaching hospital where we can say, or no Ken Ofori Atta yare henia etwa obetimi akọ sane ho yare when Timi as a finance minister and anyesa. But today we free akonya so no ehemfa no wode nani akọ a sane ho yare wako United States of America sane ho. It's because even though they were leading the nation, they still never even believed that Ghana, that they be leaders, no, ometimi a build it sa Ghana. That is why I keep telling you people, say, you see, pardon me, for anybody to thrive as a leader, first of all, you must have a strong belief of the people who follows you. Number two, you should be able to connect with the people. Number three, you should let the people feel, say, yes, they can do it and they have the ability to perform and the ability to build a nation. So in Nkrumah Kachere and say, I believe in the black man being capable of managing his or her own affairs. The people, I just say Akufo Addo, the JB Danquers, the Dumbos, the Buzia tradition, the Ken Ofori Atta, they don't believe that we can build Ghana. They don't believe in us. Now, if you don't believe in somebody, equally you are not going to get anything which is valuable or beneficial from the person. I don't think anytime be able to woman the woman on the job yen, woman the woman on the dada yen, woman the woman on the via yen. Na so obu hwia yen hwia na emre do some account man no wo madwane ababruchire. It any time be a wo mtesu bia no, their main target is how much can we siphon from the poor Ghanaian, no, and then invest it in the United States of America, or invest it in Great Britain, or invest it somewhere in Europe, so that ochinebino or mine no idea nim na nkoye a ye bedwane free wo abetena amanone. Meme wa brochire a enye news because me buy kaka e bedie nti. It even though buy school no kra no uwi no ese wo ko ba wo papa aboka wo busuafo aboka wo maami aboka. And you won't come back to Ghana because you want to make sure you can make some ends meet and also support your younger brothers back home. But Ken Ofori Atta's story is different. He was a finance minister. Now, finance minister, no, and so Ghana for said there is a system or no Ken Ofori Atta no, what be contributing in building a nation every Ghanaian will be proud of. But look, he is not proud of his own nation. And with Jania Frinikuru, he doesn't even trust the health sector of Nikuru with Jania Frimua, what they are back Obimis. And that is why I keep warning politicians to say, if you think you are doing the ordinary Ghanaian, because I'm ready to you will look, say, okay, let me run to USA, let me run to UK, let me run to France, let me go to my home. A total disgrace, a shame. Because if you cannot build a nation where you can also have a health sector, then you don't deserve to be called a leader. This is the Ken Ofori Atta. You see, the family of JB Dankwa, the family of the Ken Ofori Atta, the family of Buziamo, the Dombos, the Akufo Addo, they are paying for a year or my Ghana, and they said, when we sow a seed, a non-belief, so we don't believe in ourselves. Inferiority complexes, anyway. So listen to them when they speak. Ken Ofori Atta Echo School or Yale, or call Oxford, or call Cambridge, as if to say, we call Kivas Nibia Wunyanipa, as if to say, we call Legona Wunyanipa, as if to say, we call Tech, they are Wunim Faswa. So listen to the way they talk. Oh, when they are Brofune school, or call Cornell, or call friend is saying Cambridge, when you do that, you place a premium on wakwesibroni over your own people. But it shouldn't be like that. It should be that you have to have faith in your system, build it. If you want the greatest thing and now you want it to be the best, build it to the best of your ability. But when they get the chance, they destroy the nation Ghana. They always shout the loudest. They always scream the loudest. Give me the governance. Let us manage the governance. We will manage it better than the incompetent John Mahama. Once you give it to them, they destroy it. And whenever they destroy it, they come back and tell you, oh, it is not us. It wasn't me. Russia-Ukraine war. It was COVID-19. It was ABCD. Oh, we are intra. They always find excuses. They always find excuses to give the people of Ghana. That is why I'm saying, say MPP amboama Ken Ofori Atta amba. It is a disgrace, and Ghanaians will not take them serious. And every serious Ghanaian should understand. Say our problem as a mind has always been the Dankwa, Dombo, Buzia, so-called traditionalists. Sebio, when they get the opportunity to make things better, they make it worse. So I am saying, why do we have to go back to such people who always, when they are given the opportunity to build, they rather destroy, they rather collapse, they rather make it so hard. Now I'll give you a friend is a fact. You all recall when Akufo Addo was in opposition, what he told Ghanaians? He simply told Ghanaians that John Mahama is incompetent and that I, Akufo Addo, I've got the man. That's their slogan, isn't it? Oh, we have the man. We have the man. That's their slogan. Anna, Oma indoctrinating our Ghana for said they have the man. It's easy saying you have men. Otchere say, easy. Obi abetumi say a member. But sometimes we friend member no. If you go a member na beba, almost saying sabiu ema. Now we have the men. Akufo Addo stood on a platform several times and said that in the times of Kofor and Aliu Mahama, $1, 1 cedis. And he went on further and said, in the time of Atamils and Mahama, John Mahama, $1, 2 cedis. Now take note of this. Mahama, Aliu Mahama and Kofor was $1. When you exchange the cedi, it was $1 to 1. 1 to 1, right? Correct. Under Atamils and Mahama, it was $1 to 2. Akufo Addo told Ghanaians that if the dollar was, if you exchange it and it's 2 cedis, and if he was the president, then he would tell Ghanaians, he is sorry. I am sorry. We are sorry. We are going to go and think of ourselves. That is the exact words are Oyusu. Now, when Mahama and NDC left power in 2016, the dollar interbank rate somewhere around 4 cedis. Some say 3 cedi 50 pesos. Let's run up to the nearest figure, 4. When Akufo Addo and Bawumia came, I was expecting that since they told Ghanaians that John Mahama is incompetent, they will show or prove their competence to Ghanaians by ensuring, say, the cedi will appreciate against the dollar, thereby cedi ne be kɔ anwode ne be den ɛbɛyɛ dene na afei de yɛsesa yɛbɛka sɛ under Akufo Addo ne Bawumia no $1 no yɛsesa yɛnya 1 cedi ɛkyerɛ sɛ Akufo Addo bae no wabɔ ne ho mmɔden ama dollar ɛyɛ cedi na appreciate against the dollar. But what happened? The people who claim that they have the men prove us, say, only men, but the men were sankwas. The men were empty heads. The men were people. Woma bon a woman nim ye be mase. Woma bon a me le noko. A me sharp poto. Kwenoko, look what it happened. They took the dollar from 4 cedis and left it at 17 cedis. I was so surprised when I heard of Amin Anda saying, oh, when they were leaving office, the dollar, when you exchanged it, was somewhere around 14 cedis. And so the MPP, we should clap for them. Can you imagine? So you're clapping MPP a far dollar from 4 cedis. Let's even give it to him 14 cedis. It means they added 10 more cedis. It means that and this guy, who was once upon a time a former finance minister after Ken Ofori Atta, is saying we should clap MPP. We should clap our hands for MPP because they have done well. What about the one who left it at 4 cedis? These are questions we have to ask. They were just the 4 cedis, because they were just the 4 cedis. You told the people that he was incompetent. And you see, I want to sound this word of caution to my family Ghanaians, my countrymen and women. Let's not make this mistake. And ever in our lives, bring back the MPP party, a what dankwa, dumbo, buzia, tradition leading. They have no clue. They are empty. If we give Ghana to them for 500 years, Ghana will go into the ditch. We will go down the hill. And I am saying it. You see, it will be painted. And a boasewa or jeneba no we yin ni ato nchen. Now, me say wadaje. I want you to listen to something very, very importantly. And I think it's a to the bia. Yen kana dodo, but I feel yebeka magana fuehu. You guys know me. As one person, I led Fix the Country. You know me. When it comes to Fix the Country, I was one of the instrumental people. You can't talk about Fix the Country and say Dr. Ren was no instrumental. I played a huge role. I will Fix the Country. Oliver Bakavoma, my good friend, will tell you. In fact, Fix the Country started from Spain. A demonstration was Spain. We left UK, went to Spain. A demonstration Fix the Country. Don't forget, Fix the Country. We had to go to Germany. My people in Germany, at the time, I was the chairman of Ekuono Anayedano. We went to United States of America, went to Ghana. All that I'm saying is, if we want Ghana to be fixed, we should be careful the people we vote for them to come to power. That is why I told you people that election has consequences. And if you think, say, meboa, faweni kwa, fuel boa under Akufo Addo, petrol boa under Akufo Addo, any petrol boa under John Mahama. So what's meboa? Under John Dramani Mahama, and the tour is back. Akufo Addo, Tema Oil Refinery, or Shemani say, or destroy. These are the destroyers of the nation. And until they be a banner, me no would in command. Me person me kaiwo. Now what I said, Ghana problem. Yeah, how has always been these 3 so-called traditional people: the Dankwa, Dombo, Buzia, of Mamifa, Ofori Atta. 4, and we must say and destroy the nation. And whenever they destroy, they run away and leave us because they have their passport, they have visas.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.